Morning, Agent at Engine Carbon Clean. We're in Nottingham this morning and we've got a lovely car, Jaguar XF. It's a 2.7 diesel, it's a 2009 model, 142,000 on the clock. Now this one's booked in, the owner's had it about a year. Just wanted to get it booked in get it checked over and get it cleaned up. Bit of bass noise in this engine when we got to it, that's now a whole lot crisper. It's responding a lot better underfoot as well when you press the accelerator. In terms of the diagnostic, that looks pretty clear. There's a lot of historical information in there. Engine wise, that's pretty clear. We've looked at the EGR movement and flow, they're spot on. Big issues with these with EGRs, but they're working pretty much perfect from what we can see. DPF last regenerated 160 miles ago, back pressure's nice and low on that. Coolant level up at the temperature where it should be. The only codes coming up in this on a permanent basis are the electric heater control module. That's the supplementary electric heater when you want to get heat out of the fans inside and the engine's cold. And 2 parking sensors on the back. So the owner didn't know which ones were playing up. It's the outer ones on the left and the right. So we can get those fixed as well. Otherwise this one's clean up a treat. About another couple of minutes on this one, then get it back out on the road.